Today on Smoky Mountain Taco, I am sort of stoked, but I'm not too pleased. I have installed the OEM Canadian Mud Guards on my 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter. It's better than nothing because the Trailhunter came with no mud guards whatsoever. The Canadian Mud Guards are a little bit bigger than the US ones, I'll give it that, but I don't think it provides enough coverage. Look at that. You can see that it's not covering the tire completely, and I'm worried about paint issues and that sort of thing. So you can see back here in the back, look at that. So I got some Ark Mudguards, and we're going to compare that to the OEM. You're going to be surprised. So first comparison, you can see it's a pretty big box. Look at that. It's huge. Now let's come up here and let's compare the front mud guards and get them positioned where they would be. Well, let's look at that. Look how much more coverage that has. Look at that. That's the front. Let's check out the rear. Look how much more coverage that has. That's a lot more coverage and protect this whole area back in here. The thing I'm concerned about the Ark Mud Guards is it's not protecting this area here, where the OEM did. The other thing is that this part over here is loosey-goosey. There's nothing, that's it. I'm not too confident about these Ark Mud Guards. I'm beginning to think that the OEMs are a little better. Now I do have a part here coming in to replace this piece right here. It's so you can fit bigger tires on and that sort of thing. I don't know about the back mud guards, but these fronts, I'm not too confident because of this area right through here that's not protected. What do you think? But I don't know. We'll see. I definitely do not like this. This leaving this whole area exposed. Well, I think for now I'm going to take these off, put the Canadian Mud Guards back on. When that part comes in, we'll see if that makes any difference. I do like the look of the OEM Canadian Mud Guards. As you can see, they look great. The Tacoma embossing on the rear flaps are great looking. They match the fender flares. They are bigger than the US versions, so what do you guys suggest? I want to get full coverage to get some armor on this thing. Anyway, let's get to this install of the OEM Canadian Mud Guards for the Trailhunter. Let's do this. So for this install, I recommend a 10mm combo wrench. If you got a swivel, it's going to help you. A 10mm socket, ratchet, a magnetic bowl or tray to hold your screws so you don't lose them, 2 microfiber towels, one to wash and clean, the other to dry, and some water and soap. Let's get to this. Now, one thing I do recommend you do is that you go down to your dealership and you can bring this box and they want to see this part number. And you can see here the installation instructions for this accessory are on the electronic Toyota information system. Please see your Toyota dealer for a copy. So all you have to do is go down to the parts counter and ask for a copy of this mud guard kit, and they will print you off for free. Got to go over it in detail. I'll show you the installation process. This particular mud guard kit is put on Trailhunters and TRD Pros up in Canada by default. That's what I understand it to be. If you know something else, please tell me. This particular mud guard has a wide coverage area, and not only that, but it looks great compared to the others I've seen out there. It looks just like a piece of rubber just sticking straight down with no aesthetics, no thought taken into account about how good it should make the truck look. There's the part number. It comes with 4 mud guards, and I've got 2 there. Those are for the right side, but let's take out the left side. This is the left rear, and it's clearly marked on here which one it goes to, so you can see how that's going to look there. That looks a lot better than some of those others out there. And it is made in Canada. So let's get this installed. The first thing you're going to have to do, get some soap and water and a microfiber towel and degrease and clean the area that we're going to be installing these. All right, so you're going to have a hole over here and then one under here. And you'll need to use the supplied screws that came with the mudguard kit from Toyota. But first we're going to clean all this up. Let's spray it down and we'll apply some soap, apply some water, get it nice and clean, get all that grease and wax off. And the kit says just use soap and water. You don't have to use grease and wax removal or anything like that. Just use soap and water. All right, let's spray that down. take a dry microfiber towel and clean that off. Now, let's get our screws ready. There'll be 4. So the first one, like the others, we'll do this one first, then this one, and then this one on the underside. Let's get this ready, get it lined up, on that in place, get it started, get a ratchet. Don't tighten all the way up yet. All right, we'll get this one next, right here. Okay, don't tighten all the way. Okay, now let's get this one over here. And we'll need to use the combo wrench. Do not over tighten. All right, let's tighten these up. Ratchet and sockets easier on these. Do not over tighten. And then this one, let's tighten it up. Do not over tighten. That's on there really good. Make sure we didn't scratch anything up. Let's take off a first screw, 10 millimeter. Take that screw, drop it down into our magnetic bowl, and then do the same for the other. Do this one first, so that's what we'll do. We'll get it in place, and right there, and tighten first so we don't cross thread. Gotta hold that in place. We'll get the other one and tighten first, so let's go ahead and do that. Don't over tighten it. And then let's get our final one over here. Let's get it started. We'll tighten it up with a 10 mil swivel combo wrench. And do not over tighten. Let's get it snug. It looks good. And it looks all right. And it looks good. And it looks like it's got pretty doggone good coverage. Let's take this thing out to the lake and see what they look like in the sun. What do you say? So what do you think about the OEM Canadian Mud Guards compared to the Ark Mudguards? Is Robox better? Let me know down in the comments below. And we will see you next time. If you like that video, be sure to subscribe, share, like, and hit that notification bell, and we will see you next time.